What chest, mix, and head voice have to do with distortion? I'm gonna explain it right now. Think that we have some pedals of distortion in our body, and there's one that we call false chords. In other words, there are two structures that vibrates inside our body. And I'm gonna use this one to play a little bit with these three spaces inside of our body. And the idea of these spaces is where the sound it is happening. If I go for my chest, that means that I'm in a lower notes. So I felt the vibration here. If I go for this talk voice here, you see the vibration here. If I go for the nose in a high note, you see the vibration here. If I take this pedal of distortion and play with these three positions, watch it. You see that? I'm changing where it is happening the sound and the temper changes. But it's still in the same pedal of distortion. That's the crazy thing. We got three techniques in one pedal of distortion. And to work with it, you need to be aware of what's going on with your body and how you can use notes to help you doing that. So that's the tip. See you soon.